if I may move on to something very interesting that is happening within the politics of Uttar Pradesh, it is that the Samajwadi Party and the BSP, they began their pre-poll preparations with Brahmin conferences. They're targeting votes outside their normal vote bank that they generally aim for. And how do you think this will disrupt? Because we are seeing perhaps for the first time these kind of developments happening in Uttar Pradesh.
Well, this only shows the lack of imagination from the opposition side. They have failed to understand the changes in the polity, and especially in the UP, where people have been voting above the concerns of caste and community for a very long time. We have seen that repeatedly in elections after elections, that the government are voted to power by by the votes which cut across the caste lines. Of course, certain communities may vote for a certain party to a larger extent, but that's about it. But the opposition is simply stuck. It does not understand how to counter this new voting phenomena, which is based on Hindutva, which is a Hindu vote bloc, which basically no longer believes in the divisions of caste as such. So the only answer to it is to try to divide the Hindu votes on the caste lines, and also to mobilize and whip the the religious fanaticism among the minority community. But I think they will fail once again, because no one wants to vote and go back to the days of secular Samajwad in this country. People are very happy with the development works which have been done by the full majority government under the Prime Minister, under the Chief Minister Yogi and the Prime Minister Modi. And in UP, lots of things have been done. If you look at the medical colleges, many new medical colleges have been opened. One of the least talked about achievement of Yogi government has been to revitalize the different hospitals to control the pandemics, and also the diseases like Japanese encephalitis in Gorakhpur. When we come to the highway construction, UP is one of the leading states now. Road construction, one of the leading states now. Right. Ujjwala Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, UP is one of the leading states now. Look at the government jobs. The entire process has been reformed, unlike the previous governments where people would good exam and results will not come for years, and then there will be lots of scams and court cases and so on. The Yogi government has taken lots of pain to streamline and reform the recruitment process, and more than 400,000 government jobs have been given in the last 4 years, and I think number is only going to increase in the future. So why would people, let's say in this case, why would Brahmins or any other caste will go for some symbolic gesture by the Samajwadi Party or the Bahujan Samaj Party? I think they will be defeated once again, and people will elect Chief Minister Modi as with the full majority government in this election too.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.